All right, my name is Bernd Bucher. I'm an associate professor of international relations here at Franklin. In the MSIM program, I teach a course on global governance and international management. So this course introduces future leaders and managers to understanding the complexities involved in managing contemporary global problems today. There's many different layers, there's many different actors involved in addressing problems like climate change, like global public health, and so forth. And students learn how to understand and map, and maybe even deal with these challenges. So students taking this course will not only be equipped with theoretical knowledge or theoretical tools in order to analyze contemporary problems, they will also develop a deeper appreciation of the intricate difficulties that are linked to bringing different kinds of actors at different levels to one table in order to move forward.